The Hat Man. What's up, guys? I'm the Hat Man, and I'm back with another MP3 player thingy. So, what did I find this time? Well, I guess you read the title, so you already know, but hey, bada bing, bada boom, here it is. So, last MP3 player video was filmed kind of poorly, so this time it's gonna be better. And last time was another Archos. That's probably Archos, but I'm gonna call it Archos. Archos DMP, digital media player. It was like the worst of its lineup, so the Vision series. And this one is several steps up. This is the Vision 3. This one is touchscreen. Last time, I thought the little thing was for a while, and then it turns out it wasn't. This one for sure is, says it right there, touchscreen. Alright, I had it zoomed in too much. Oopsie doopsie. But yeah, here you go. 3-inch touchscreen with a tactile wheel, I guess? So, yeah, Archos 3 Vision. I'm truly fascinated by the Archos brand because I haven't heard of it until recently, and it's got a lot of products. I like their MP3 players, so I've been after them. Apparently, they did not sell well in the United States, so I can't seem to find many from the US, so this one's from Canada. Straight from good old Canada. Let's take a look at the box. Package info. You get player, your USB cable, your earbuds, and a user guide. Here's the barcodes and stuff. Here's the left side-ish. So, this seems to be a burgundy color, as identified by this brownish reddish sticker. If you look on the back, it looks kind of burgundy. Speaking of the back, here's the full back. Of course, it does music, photo, voice recording, FM radio, FM transmitter. Oh, that's interesting. Wait, so this has a built-in transmitter. That means you don't have to use a car device to transmit to your radio, so you can use it in the car. Interesting. I'm gonna have to test that after this video. That sounds really cool. And of course, video. And it's brand new. Check out these seals. See that? Very nice, very nice. We're gonna unbox this thing, look at it up close. Hopefully the battery works. It's not likely, but I have hope. One sticker down. 2 stickers down. Okay, now I can open it. For the first time, crunch, crunch. Okay, let's slide it on out. Whoop! Nothing left in the box. We'll put that to the side. It's very dusty in here. Oh, there's all the guts. Here's your USB cable. What style does it use? It uses mini USB. Alright, well, here's the earbuds. Pretty cheap, pretty standard. Wait, there's a lock on this thing. What does that mean? Okay, not quite standard. Most of it looks cheap, but there is an interesting little bit there. Here is the manuals and stuff. So yeah, this is warranty information. We don't need to look at that. Here's the good old-fashioned eMusic 35 free MP3s card. Lots of MP3 players came with this back in the day. There was a big push for eMusic. I don't really even know what that is these days. More manuals. So this one is the main manual. This is the same thing in a different language. And this is also the same thing in a different language. So just like last time, you get about 6 languages. I know for a fact this is going to have multiple on each side. Pretty good having their bases covered. Though I feel like it would have been more efficient to just select the language for the region and include one pamphlet with 2 languages. So like in the United States, you'd have English and Spanish. In Canada, you would have English and French. But whatever, we got 6 languages. So put that to the side. We're done looking at those. And here's the player in its little plastic tin. Boop! Look at that sweet burgundy color. This is actually a nice surprise because I thought this thing was just going to be black and basic, but it's not. It's burgundy. Though the sticker on the box looks more brown than burgundy, but hey, at least the player's not brown, because if it's not the kind of brown the Zune is, it's not gonna look good, because if it's brown and shiny, it's gonna be too dark, most likely. That's just my opinion. I am in no way a expert on coloring aluminum back plates. Anyway, so here is the little sticker. I really don't want to take this off, but I have to. So together, my friends, we're going to gently take this little sticker off. Whoop! Look at that brand new screen that somehow has a smudge on it already. Right there at the top. Capacitive touchscreen, I can see all the dots. It reminds me of the Nintendo DS. There's the hold switch on the bottom. Headphone jack. Nothing on this side. Nothing on the top. Is there discoloration on the top? Oh, guys, there is discoloration on this thing. I wonder what that is caused by. Could it be the battery? I hope that's not battery acid. It very well might be battery acid, guys. See that? Alright, well, let's plug it in and see what happens. We'll put the sticker right here. Whoop! Whoop! Here we go. Oh, I smacked the camera. Let's bust open a brand new USB mini cable. Woohoo! Look at that. Let's see if anything happens. Shows up as charging on the device, or on my oh, here we go. Battery full. Oh, battery charging. Oh, we're in, boys. Okay. So what does this touchscreen thing do? This little circle. I guess nothing right now. Okay. What is this? So there is built-in wallpapers, and you change it by clicking this button. See right here. Boop. That's strange. I figure you go to the options for that, or go to photos and then choose a photo to be. Yeah, so I'm gonna click this option, set as home screen. Okay, yeah, you can do exactly what you think you could do. Oh, and this little circle thing is a back button. Okay. So yeah, there is a wallpapers randomizer right here, but you can in fact go to photos and then tell the photo to be the wallpaper, which is perfectly intuitive. So, can I swipe left and right? No? Okay, so this is all you get. There is a calendar that wasn't listed on the back, and you can check your files just like last time. Let's see if any of the packed-in music has lyrics. No. So I'll have to make lyric files like last time and check that. So all the stuff that the last one could do, I'm gonna check that this one can do. I'll go do that in a second. First, let's go to video and see how that Big Bug Bunny, just like last time. This looks remarkably better than last time, and the viewing angles are not bad. Wow, this is smooth. Alright, this wins me over. It doesn't stutter. There's no motion blur. It just looks good. I'm surprised. This was a premium device at the time, so I guess it makes sense that it would have good features. Now, obviously there's no speaker, so that's a good note to make. No speaker. Stopwatch. I didn't mention that, but yeah, stopwatch. Let's see, what does this bottom left button do? Second to the left. Oh, that's the radio transmitter. What about options? Display settings. Okay, so there's no scrolling. This is all the settings you get. Interesting. And then you can power it off, I guess, just from right here, which we can't do because we're charging. Interesting. This is so interesting. I like this a lot. Alright, I'm gonna go check those other features, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So, it seems the files I'm looking for are already on here. So let's go to Files, let's go to Data, and let's click on Sample Text. And yep, you can read text. I guess it's only .txt files, but hey, you can read text here. Yeah, oh look at that. Look at these options. Very cool. Alright, so the music. Oh, is this the wheel they were talking about? Oh lord, I don't know how to use this. I think I kind of get it. Touch scrolling would have been better than this little wheel. I'll say that. Alright, Here We Go should have lyrics. Oh, look at all these options. Hey, this is pretty cool. Look at all these equalizer settings. Oh, here's the option for display. You can choose to put on the lyrics or put on the cover art. Okay, well, display lyrics. Oh, I was on the wrong song. It's not Here We Go, but it is the right artist. That's why I got confused. Save Me. Let's go find Save Me. Oh, there's the lyrics. Look at that, right there. Are they gonna change? I'm not hearing the song in case it's got copyrighted content. So I guess I'll just wait to see if the lyrics change. Oh wait, how do I change volume? Oh, there's the lyrics. Oh, that looks way better than the other thing, the other player. Yeah, but how do I change the? Oh, you just click on it. Alright, I will say changing volume is annoying, but it's doable, at least. Well, there's a lot of options here, some good ones for music library. FM radio. You can add presets and stuff, change your country, choose stereo or mono. Oh, wow, look at that, you can record the radio. Oh, that's nuts. Alright, that's a really interesting feature. I like that a lot. There's a lot of interesting things going on here. So this thing was released around 2009. So this exact device competed with the Zune HD and the iPod Touch 3. Very interesting. Okay, yeah, well, that's the device. It's really cool. I guess now we'll take a look inside and then I'll give my closing thoughts. All right, here's where the top camera really comes in handy. Let's yoink that. Put this to the side. All right, let's get this little pick and oh, here's a quality assurance sticker. We're just gonna take that off and put it on the back. It might not stick anymore. That's fine, it doesn't really need to stick. I'll put it in the box. Now, I wonder how this opens. The unit that I have that doesn't work, let me go get that. I'll show you. This is the Archos 3.2. It's a little bit bigger, and it's got different buttons on the front. See? A lot different, actually. The shape is similar, though. This one's got a camera. The unfortunate thing is this one doesn't work. Okay, let me rephrase that. It does work, the screen is bad, so I would need to buy another one that's broken for cheap to get the screen replaced, or find another one that just works right out the box. Unfortunately, I haven't seen these, and it's very rare. But I was hoping this one's backplate will come off as easy as this one, so that I don't have to work for it, you know? It is, though. It is bad that this comes off so easy, so I don't know what that's about. So, I'm just gonna spend a couple seconds here trying to figure out how to open this thing safely. I don't see anything online. This thing wasn't that popular. I think I got it. Alright, I got it off. It looks like it could have slid downwards, but maybe not. So, this battery is not good. Can't be. I can see the corrosion on the terminal right here. It looks like the battery contacts are right here, right on the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off to prevent more leakage. But yeah, here's a front look of the inside. Look at that, it uses a rock chip. Very cool. All right, I removed it. It's a lot lighter without that battery. So, what do I think about this device? I think it's a really good device. It's got a lot of features. It's got wallpaper customization, and you can randomize your wallpapers. That's cute. There's two downsides, two bad things. The wheel is a little weird. I don't like the wheel as much as regular touch controls. They should have just added buttons on the front like on this, but that's fine. The bigger issue to me is the volume control during playback is a little spotty. That kind of sucks. So I'll give this a solid B+, whereas something like the Zune or the iPod is a solid A/A+. So this is right underneath them. Here's the Zune HD right now. The screen protector's a little beat up, but hey, it's working. It's also a lot bigger and heavier than the Archos 3. But it's a competent device in every way. I really like it. I'm probably gonna use it for a little while once I get a new battery put in. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy looking at this thing with me. Soon, I hope to get more stuff to show off for you guys. Some more interesting devices like this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Smash that like button, blast that subscribe button, and ring-a-ling-ding that bell. I make lots of mobile tech stuff, so subscribe for more. See you guys later. Peace.